Okay, we're doing another crazy video. See, they like this water with the ice in it. Remember that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, the girl just told you off. Yes, she told you off. She said, enough, enough. You can only bite her so much. And by the way, you guys have teeth. So now it hurts. Before, you could chomp on each other and nothing hurt because you just had gums. Now you have, see? Look at this. We all like the water with the ice in it. Yes, we do. We do. Yes. I have these plastic M&M's sells these desserts that are chocolate and it has some filling in it or whatever, and you throw them in the microwave. I forget the name of them. But they come in these plastic containers, and after we eat them, I save those plastic containers because I put water in it. Well, I put water in it, and I make ice with it, and I get this big, huge chunk of ice this way. Perfect way of doing it than buying a huge ice tray or some crazy thing like that. But yeah, all the small ones, the ice. Oh, will you cut it out? She's trying to play with you. And it's a riot. Yes. Yeah. It's interesting what you can put water into to make ice cubes. You can be creative, but the larger the ice cube, the longer it takes to melt, and so the longer it stays cold. And some dogs actually like to play in it. So far, we don't have any players. We just have drinkers. Yes. Are you kissing the puppies while they're feeding? Are you? Are you, Rebel? Yes, I know. I love you too. Yes. Yes. What's going on? There's a flashing light on the barbecue. Wow. There's a flashing light on the barbecue, and I don't know what that is. Hello, kitty angels.